Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss a problem on string similarity. So we are given an integer n and a binary string s consisting of 2n-1 characters. And we have to construct a binary string w of length n which is similar to all the following strings s1 to n, s2 to n plus 1, s3 to n plus 2 and so on. I will explain it in a moment. Before this, let's look at the definition of string similarity provided by them. So they are saying that two binary strings a and b of equal length are similar if they have the same character in some position. They have provided some examples. In the first example, the character at fourth position is same 1 1, so these two binary strings are similar. In the second example, the character at first position is same in both the binary strings, so these two binary strings are also similar. In the third example, also all the characters at all positions are same, so these two are also similar. In the fourth example, we can see that there is no character which is same at any position, so these two binary strings are not similar. Now let's look at this example where the value of n is 4. So the length of binary string provided to us is 2n-1, which is 7, and we are asked to construct a binary string of length 4 which is similar to all the following substring s1 to 4 and so on. So in this example, we have to construct a binary string of length 4 which is similar to all the substrings 1 1 1 0, 1 1 0 0, 1 0 0 0, and finally 0 0 0 0. So over here they have explained this test case. So the answer they have given is 1010, which is similar to all these substrings. Please note that multiple binary strings are possible which are similar to these substrings. Okay, so multiple answers is possible. Let me explain the solution with the help of one example. So first of all, let's write down all the substring right here. Okay, so this is one substring 1110, 1100 this is second, 1000 the third, and 0000. These are all the possible substrings, and we have to construct a binary string of length 4 which is similar to all these substrings. Okay, so one way to solve this is we can count the number of ones at each column. Okay, so in the first column 1110, and if the count of 1 is greater than 0, then we will append 1 in our string builder object. So we can maintain a string builder object where we will store the binary string which we have to construct. Okay, so in this example, at first column the count of 1 is 3 and count of 0 is 0, so here the count of 1 is greater than 0, so we will write it 1. So in the second column also the count of 1 is greater than 0, again 1. In the third column also count of 1 is greater than 0, so 1. In the fourth column count of 1 is 0, so we will write 0. So this is one binary string which is similar to all these substrings. Okay, now let's see how we can implement it. Let's take the same example 111 0 0 0 0, and we will maintain a string builder object, string builder, let's say it as initially it is empty. Okay, so and we will also maintain two variables, one for maintaining the count of ones and another for maintaining the count of zeros. Okay, and initially we will start from here and we will slide this window of size n is equal to 4 from left to right until we reach the end of the string. Okay, so initially the count of ones in this window is 3 and count of 0 is 1. Okay, so the count of ones is greater than 0, so we will append 1 in our string builder object. Now we will slide our window by one character. So in this window we can see that the count of 1 should be increased by 1, and the count of 0 should be increased by 1, and count of 1 should be decreased by 1. Okay, so we will update these variables, and again the count of 1 is greater than 0, so we will append 1 in our string builder object. Now we will slide our window again by one character. So we have to again reduce the count of 1 by 1 because we have to remove this character, and as we have moved one character ahead and the new character is 0, so we have to again increment the count of 0. So again the count of ones is greater than 0, so we will append 1 in our string builder object. Now we will slide our window again. Okay, again we will decrement the count of 1 and we will increment the count of 0. So now the count of ones is not greater than 0, so we will append 0 in our string builder object, and we are done with our string. So this is our answer. Now let's look at this in code. Okay, so here I'm just taking the